We were talking a little bit this morning about niche and if we should dial like so intensely into one particular architectural product, one particular group, or spread it out. But yeah, so I don't know. That's where we are kind of tug of warring right now.
Yeah, one thing I would recommend doing is check out, if you go to YouTube, just search Tad Hargrave positioning matrix. It's a conversation I had with a colleague of mine, Danny Inney. But it really depends. Like, what do you focus on? Depends on what's happening in the marketplace. It depends on what's going on out there. Like, how many other people are offering something similar? Is there a way that you can distinguish yourself, separate yourself out from the rest of the marketplace? The the question is not really do you niche or not. It's more a question of what's going to work. Like, is the niche going to be around a specific who, or is it going to be around a specific what? Like, what do you want to be known for? Because the broader we get, the harder it gets for us. You just start spinning too many plates. So what I would recommend is pick something narrow now, whether that's a particular who or particular what, but pick something that's like nobody's doing this or nobody's doing this well. We know we can, there's not a lot of competition here. We know we can crush this because I think about niching also, it's like the front door of a house, it's the facade, it's what you see, right? Now, once you get into the house, there's a lot of rooms, but the first thing is just get them in the house. So if you might get them in for one particular job, but then as you're talking, other things emerge, and you say, "Yeah, we can help with this. We can help with this," and suddenly the job expands. But I would highly recommend for everybody on this call, pick one thing. What do you want to be known for? What's the one thing? If you're going to only be known for that, because the reality is you are only going to be known for one thing. When people save you in their phone and give you a nickname, they put one thing. They don't list 12 things they know about you. They pick the most prominent one. So what do you want that to be? Yeah. Thanks so much for your question, you too.